Hello, everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we're gonna make quick and easy cornbread. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Here are the ingredients you will need: cornmeal, all-purpose flour, melted butter, buttermilk, salt, baking soda, sugar, and eggs. First things first, we're gonna start by combining the melted butter, sugar, then give it a good whisk. Next, we're gonna whisk in eggs one at a time. Beat until the mixture is smooth. Add buttermilk. Mix until well combined. Then set it aside. In a separate bowl, we're gonna add all-purpose flour, cornmeal, salt, and baking soda. Then combine all the ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients, stirring with a whisk until only a few lumps remain. Guys, you can even use a spatula. I prefer to use a whisk. Once everything is well incorporated, now we're gonna go ahead and melt 1 tablespoon of shortening in a cast iron. Guys, this is gonna give them that golden crust. You gotta try this recipe. Once the shortening has melted, we're gonna go ahead and pour the batter into the prepared skillet. Then we're gonna use the spatula to smooth the top to create an even layer, just like so, guys. I have my oven preheated to 375 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna pop this into the oven for 35 minutes or until the top is golden brown. The cornbread is out of the oven. Allow it to cool for 10 minutes before slicing. This is how the bottom looks, guys. Perfect crust. This classic recipe, guys, is moist, buttery, light and fluffy, and so flavorful. So try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Please subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.